They're sending it to the right person. Oh, okay. Good. But good.
So this is everything I got from JapanLa. They gave me this card and they have 2 locations. The first squishy I bought is the Sanrio bun and I'm not sure what character it is. This is the character I'm assuming. But it's by Sanrio and it's super slow rising. I also bought another Sanrio bun, and I think this is Karopi, yep. This one's a little bit less slow rising, it has a really fast bounce back. Then I got these like capsule squishies, and these are quite hard, they're like stress balls, but I thought it looked adorable. It's actually not too hard. It feels soft. It's just that it's not slow rising. And then this is all the squishies that you can collect, but they only had 2 available, which was the snail and the lamb right here. And of course, here's another one. This is the lamb. Yep. And finally, they gave me this extra. They had like a raffle ticket thing, so I won this mini bun. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a really fun time. I got to meet the Thehollycopter and Estrella Patron. Please subscribe and like this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.